Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Countryman. The Countryman is a bright idea. 4 doors, more interior space, and positioning that evokes the rally heritage of the original Mini. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, panoramic moonroof, center armrest, trip computer, clock, electronic stability control, heated front seats, fog lights, day-night rear view mirror. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.